let's learn how you can set video wallpaper on iPhone. So for this tutorial you can use two things. So we have here video to live applications and another video to live application. For this tutorial I will show you this blue one because it's easier a lot. So let us open the application here, and this will be your starting menu. So it will direct you to video, and we want to turn video into the live photo. So now you just need to choose some random video and click on next right here, so on top right corner. Now when you did that, here you can select what you want to do. I want to choose it as live photo, and just need to click this arrow in top right corner, this blue one, so it will save your video or live photo into the library. And when you're finished, you just need to go to settings, scroll a bit down, open wallpaper, click on add new wallpaper and go to live photo. It should be right here, and that's it. You want to choose it as live photo and you're finished. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.